hello guys welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we are going to look at straight how I made this USDT in just few seconds, not few seconds, few minutes though. And I would have cash out right over here, but I waited because I want to use this as tutorial and I want us to see how this works. Okay, and currently we are here, so let's see how much have I made. Let's quickly check. You can see this is what I have made, 11.18 USDT. You know what happened here? I just seized an opportunity, just a little opportunity, and I seized it. Okay, when I saw this at 102.7, I chose to dive in. You know why? Because I look at those candles locally. And when I look at those candles locally, I realize that those candles can take a very good move again, and I will make some profit. All right, so this was my entry. As I said, this was my entry price, 102,851. Then the market price currently now is 104. You can see, and which made 11 roughly USDT. So let's take a look at the candles. Now these are the candles. Okay, these are the what? These are the candles, the candlestick. So what I did was that when this was at 0.0028, you see, that was when I bought it. Okay, you can see this is when I bought this, and to the glory of God, it triggers today's 104, which I still refuse to cash out, which is roughly 105. I still refuse to cash out. So, and let it be again. It drops again. You can see these places, all these places you see in here are opportunities. So I view those candles locally, and I was able to make a few USDT in profit. Okay, few USDT in profit. You can see it here. Okay, I didn't mean I sold that one, and I come to this place again to join. This is another opportunity, and I'll sell it here. Okay, and I'll sell it here. So you can see how it takes up, and we are here today, and I made this few profits of USDT for myself. Okay, so one thing you should always do is that each time you see a high downfall, it's an opportunity for you to make or to enter the trade. Okay, it's an opportunity for you to enter the trade. In my next class, I'll be dropping a video on how to do proper analysis before entering a trade. Okay, so if you do have any question, do not forget, drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.